time is irreplaceable. Once it's gone or wasted, you can never get it back. So guys, this is the time. This last 30 days is very, very precious for you, and it can actually change your result. Use this time fully and efficiently. Study hard for yourself and accomplish your dream of becoming a CA. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So guys, today I've made this video for all the students who are going to give their exams in November 2020. Guys, just last 30 days are left. This time is very, very precious, and each and every action of yours will speak. Each and every day is very, very crucial. So please plan properly, strategize properly, and be very, very disciplined to follow all the plans and targets and accomplish your dream. So guys, this video will be useful for all the CA students, be it foundation level, intermediate level or finals level. I'll be sharing few strategies and tips which will help you in this last 30 days before your exams. Let's get started. So the first tip is identify the consequences. What if you don't study? What will happen? Does that result really matter to you? Because when you think like that, you will start working hard because everyone wants to pass, right? So just think about the result day and study each day properly, efficiently, work hard, because this 30 days will never come back. The second tip is last month, don't change your pattern. The way you are studying, try to stick to that only. Don't study from any other book. जो book आपने पढ़ा है, from whatever book you have studied till now, उसी से पढ़ाई करो. Just study from that only. Don't change anything, okay? You just need to study smartly and selectively. Last month is very, very important. It can actually bring a big difference in your results. So don't change anything. Don't change your routine. Nothing. Just start working more hard and more efficiently. And guys, the next tip is very, very important. 2 to 5. This 3 hours is very crucial because your आपका CA exam time is 2 to 5. So this last month, study the most 2 to 5 के बीच में. Okay, because if you practice from now, that अभी आपको बहुत पढ़ना है 2 to 5 के बीच में, you have to practice. You need to study with concentration. एक महीने में your mind will start functioning in that way only. और एग्जाम में you'll be able to focus 100%. So practice more because generally आफ्टरनून में पढ़ाई करने का मन नहीं करती. You feel very sleepy and lazy. Change that. ये लास्ट मंथ में प्रैक्टिस करो कि आप 2 to 5 के बीच में बहुत पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हो, ताकि आप एग्जाम डे के लिए you are ready to crack your paper beautifully. One more tip is when you practice, when you revise, take the sequence of your exam timetable only. Like first exam और accounts है तो आप accounts, और अगर second law है accounts और law को पहले पढ़ो, ताकि आप sequence में पढ़ते रहो. तो लास्ट एग्जाम, लास्ट रिविजन जो आप पढ़ोगे वो आपका लास्ट एग्जाम होगा. अगर आप लास्ट वाले एग्जाम अभी पढ़ लोगे तो ड्यूरेशन बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. अभी पढ़ के फिर लास्ट एग्जाम तो कब आएगा, तो रिविजन फिर गैप बहुत ज्यादा होगा. सो सीक्वेंस आप एग्जाम का टाइम टेबल के जैसा ही रखो ताकि गैप बिटवीन योर रिविजन एंड योर एग्जाम डे इज नॉट मोर. सो द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज जस्ट स्टडी. डोंट थिंक अबाउट द रिजल्ट्स. जस्ट वर्क हार्ड. ईच डे इज इम्पोर्टेंट. रिजल्ट्स के बारे में मत सोचो. अगर आप पढ़ोगे तो रिजल्ट्स विल बी वेरी, वेरी गुड. ओके, बिना मतलब का यू वेस्ट टाइम थिंकिंग अबाउट इट बिकॉज इट्स नॉट अंडर योर कंट्रोल. But studying is under your control. So just study hard, work hard. Every hour is important. So guys, intermediate final students, mock test, practice manual, RTP, past questions, past papers. You need to solve it. Last month, practice more, solve more different questions. Read different questions कि कैसे questions exam में आते हैं. Okay? एंड फाउंडेशन के स्टूडेंट्स डू योर स्टैंडर्ड. ओके, उससे पता चलेगा कि पास पेपर्स में क्या किस टाइप का क्वेश्चन है, बिकॉज यू आर न्यू टू दिस कोर्स. सो जस्ट टू गेट एन आइडिया अबाउट द क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आर आस्क्ड, गो थ्रू द ओल्ड क्वेश्चन पेपर्स. ओके, प्रैक्टिस मोर एंड मोर and just study hard and be smart in choosing it. each and every concepts are important, but you need to study smartly so that you don't waste your time. You know, एक या दो एग्जाम आप एग्जाम घर पे दो in examination environment, आपका practice हो जाएगा. You won't feel nervous when you give your exams. So इस last month में at least give two papers, practice करो घर पे proper 3 hours बैठ के. Give your paper and you'll see in what position you are and how you need to work upon. The next step is stop thinking. Stop talking to people who are negative. Stop discussing anything. Okay? Just think positive. Just be patient. Be stress free. Go with the flow. Study. Set your targets. Set your goals. Accomplish it daily. Nobody can stop you. Okay? Believe me, if you believe in yourself, you will surely succeed. The next step is don't try to sympathize with yourself. कि नहीं पढ़ पाया, this excuses, वो excuse, ये excuse. No. अभी भी टाइम है. Each and every day is very important. अभी भी बहुत टाइम है. 30 days में भी अगर आप बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ोगे तो रिजल्ट्स आपका पॉजिटिव ही आएगा. So just don't give excuses to yourself. अच्छा ठीक है, इस बार तो मैंने नहीं पढ़ा, it's okay, next time I'll study. Next time, no. Every attempt is important. Every exam is important. हो सकता है क्या होगा, 2 ग्रुप दिया, क्लियर नहीं हुआ, 2 में से क्या पता है 1 ग्रुप क्लियर हो जाएगा, 1 ग्रुप दिया वो भी क्लियर नहीं हुआ, कुछ एग्जामिशन आ जाएगा, समथिंग माइट हैपन, राइट? तो एटलीस्ट फेल भी होना है तो अच्छे से फेल होना. एटलीस्ट आप यू वोंट रिग्रेट कि आपने पढ़ाई नहीं की. तो 30 डेज तो बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो. रिजल्ट्स के बारे में नहीं सोच के जस्ट स्टडी. चॉइस इज योर्स. ओके, व्हाट यू वांट टू अचीव. आप अटेम्प्ट मिस करोगे तो क्या होगा? 6 months वेस्ट. क्या मतलब उस चीज का, राइट? एंड एक्सक्यूजेस भी दोगे तो अंदर ही अंदर आपको पता है कि यू डिड नॉट स्टडी. सो इट्स बेटर. अभी भी टाइम है. नाउ इज द टाइम. बिलीव योरसेल्फ, यू कैन स्टिल अचीव इट. Intermediate and final की students, if you are planning to give both the groups, you have 8 subjects to revise in the last month. So 30 days divide करो 8 subjects में. Take 2 subjects at a time, 1 theory and 1 practical. It will be very easy and comfortable for you to revise. And plan each day, plan each hour. Just focus on your targets. Be disciplined, and you'll be able to revise the complete course properly on time. Okay, you already know about the CA stress, but the CA foundation students, you are new in this course, and CA course is completely a different course where you have to leave behind your class 10 and 12 results. This is a completely different platform. Don't expect much from yourself. Just keep on studying hard. कुछ नहीं होगा, बहुत अच्छा होगा रिजल्ट. CA foundation is something which you can actually clear very nicely if you study efficiently. So you have got 4 subjects. लास्ट 30 डेज है. 7 to 8 डेज में आपका 2 सब्जेक्ट आराम से हो जाएगा. ओके, तो आप अपने कोर्स को ही चाहे डिवाइड कर लो छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में. एक थ्योरी और एक प्रैक्टिकल को साथ साथ में पढ़ाई करो. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, इट विल बी वेरी इजी एंड अ केक वर्क फॉर यू ऑल, बिकॉज क्लास 11-12 में आपने इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़ा है, अकाउंट्स पढ़ा है, एंड मैथ्स अगर किसी का था तो यू हैव स्टडीड मैथ्स ऑल्सो. Law is the only subject which is new to you, and it's theoretical subject, and it's not at all difficult. So keep on reading, keep on writing. Okay, use different tricks and tips to memorize it. You can also watch my other videos. I'm really working hard for you all so that you give your exams properly and efficiently and in a stress-free mood. So you can watch my other videos as well. And all the students, don't worry at all. Each and every day अच्छे से use करो, and I'm very sure you'll be able to give your exams very nicely. Use the same calculator which you are going to use in your exams, and write with all the pen with which you will write in your exam, so that उस पेन से थोड़ा practice हो जाए. हाथ बैठ जाना चाहिए with whatever pen or pencil or calculator you are going to use in your exam. Please stop procrastinating. मैंने आज का 2 घंटा वेस्ट कर दिया, छोड़ो, आज पूरे दिन नहीं पढ़ते. If you have wasted 1 hour of your day, doesn't matter. Entire day is with you, right? 1 hour waste करने के कारण you are planning to waste the entire day. That's not at all worth it, and at this hour, it is not at all justified. Okay, stop delaying it, stop deferring it. 6 hours sona, 6 hours. Alarm clock properly lagao. Be firm, be disciplined, and be stubborn in following your routine. You have to do it. There's one tip which I always used to do whenever I used to feel low. I used to listen to good music, motivational music, watch motivational videos. I always used to watch The Secret. I have mentioned it many a times in my other videos also. The Secret is law of attraction, where you are trying to attract your positive result, and you are working each day, working hard for it. Okay, so whenever you feel low, you can watch anything and refresh yourself. So guys, if this video was helpful to all of you, then don't forget to click on the like button and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, because I'm really trying very hard to make videos on all the exam stress and fear which students face, and I really like guiding and advising students so that they don't fear for anything in their life. Thank you for watching.